The Opinel number 8. It's a very nice, budget-friendly, cheap. Not cheap. It's well made, but I mean it's inexpensive. Just a everyday carry outdoor pocket knife. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Opinel number 8. So let's just get started. It features a high carbon steel blade, or I guess a carbon steel blade, I should say. Um, it's pretty much it. Made in France. These things are budget, meaning they're cost friendly. I used to be able to find these for about 10 bucks a piece. Nowadays, they're going for about, I saw 14 all the way up to 20 bucks for one of these. I used to have a bunch of them because I would get them for cheap, and then I just give them away to people, people who didn't have their own knife. Now, what's really cool about this knife is it has the way it locks, rather, I should say, is it locks by this little metal collar that spins. So you see there, it like tapers and it spins, and now it's locked. So it's almost as strong. Well, I won't go as far as say that, but it's nearly like a fixed blade knife when you have it locked in like that with that collar. What's cool about it too is when you close it up, you can also spin that collar again, and it locks it closed. This one here has a green handle, painted green wood handle, so it costs a little bit extra. This one was actually given to me as a gift. The last one I had, I gave to my cousin, was the wood handle, just plain wood. That was a really nice one. Now these things are like a flat or a Scandi grind, so they're like, it's like just metal that's tapered, and then it's just sharpened to the knife edge right there. So it's a very, very fine, sharp edge. So show you how sharp that is. We got some candles going right now. It rained all night last night, so the mosquitoes are out in force. And it's humid as fuck right now. I'm sweating my balls off. Alright, let's check it out. Alright. It could use some stropping, that's for sure. But I mean, it's like catching on my nail, and it is really sharp. There we go. This is just a piece of notebook paper, so it's also not the best representation. It's no printer paper. So there you go. Looks like my candles went out. Alright. Let's see if I got any hair left on my arm. Let's see. Alright, can you guys see that? Let's see. Alright. Let's go right here. You guys see that? So it is shaving sharp. It is a rough shave, but did the trick. Alright, now because it does have this lock on here, wanted to try start some fires. So we got our fire vessel here. Let's see. Let's just see how it cuts. We got some of our 550 fire starter cord here. Yep, pretty smooth. Like I said, it could use some stropping. It's a toothy edge. Let's just kind of fluff this stuff up here. You guys listen to podcasts? I've been catching this one called Those Conspiracy Guys. It's this Irish guy named Gordo, and he does like long form, like 3 hour long deep dives into like Ruby Ridge and uh, you know Operation Paperclip and a lot of just interesting stuff that used to be able to find on YouTube and stuff like that, but can't find too much on the internet nowadays. Anyway, we got an old piece of fat wood. It's kind of dried out, but it'll still do the job. Let's make sure it's locked. It is. We got our collar locked in place. I don't know. What kind of podcasts do you guys listen to? Give me a name of them. I need some new stuff to listen to, so open to suggestions. So this is going at this fat wood pretty nice here. We got some nice feathers going. Do a little bit more here. All right. Now you know what I got here? You guys remember these things? These like old school fire starters. They got the little ferro rod super glued to this giant magnesium block. All right, so let's try it out. So we'll just scrape on this block here. It has a nice, beautiful 90-degree spine. It is so sharp. You know what? Before we do that, let's see if we could do some fat wood with that just 90-degree spine here. So let's do that. All right, I was getting some nice little curls here. All right, some nice little curls to catch those tiny sparks. Do a little bit more. All right, now we'll do that magnesium block. And there are just little metal pieces coming off all over. All right, let's get all this in a pile. All right, folks, you ready? Stand up for this. All right, nothing yet, nothing yet. We'll switch. I don't know if we're gonna get it, guys. Just ruffle all this up a little bit more. Well, sometimes you just don't get it. Anyway, if you like what you saw, hit that like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and if you watch me on Rumble, hit that Rumble button. We'll shoot a new video. We'll try another fire. I didn't have any luck. We'll try one more time. Well, sometimes you don't always get it. Anyway, we definitely ground a nice big chunk out of this real cheap ferro rod. Could have been the ferro rod. Could have been me. Could have been it's really humid out here. Anyway, the Opinel number 8. It's a very nice, budget-friendly, cheap. Not cheap. It's well made, but I mean it's inexpensive. Just a everyday carry outdoor pocket knife. I mean, it had to go up.